Today we saw a sight that we've never seen before at Chatham Lighthouse Beach. There was a young family cross-country skiing down at the beach. Here you can see the father towing a baby or a young child in a sled, and a little son or daughter also cross-country skiing alongside. What a great moment this was, and how fun for that family. Wow, is that seals I see over there? Over on Middle Beach, it looks like a little, I don't know, maybe 30 seals or so. As you can see, the beach shack is very close to the water, but it's still there, so that's wonderful. It's another lovely day in Chatham. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Stay warm.